Yo, welcome back, Zero Tread family. I got my boy right here today, TNT Garage. Yes, sir. Introduce yourself, man. Shout yourself out real quick.
What's happening, y'all? It's your boy, Tony B. Hey, I got a channel on YouTube, TNT Garage.
Link gonna be in that description.
Yes, go check it out, y'all. I do like some old little tinkering here and there, but my channel is all based on cars, comedy, and they collide together, man. If your boy he'll tell you, I'm a nut, man. I'm gonna do crazy stuff, but I love cars. You know, all we do is just do everything. We work together. You know what I'm saying? So we finna knock out this S5. What we finna do, man?
So let them know what we're about to do today, man.
Yeah, man. We finna make this thing a black optics on the low. You know what I'm saying? We finna do this what you call it?
The chrome trim.
Yep, the chrome trim.
And then we got a little bit more. We'll try to hit these, but we might not get everything done today, but
we're gonna get most of it done. Most of the stuff that we want to get done, we're gonna try to get it done today, y'all. You know, this is a new journey. Me and my boy, we're gonna knock this thing out.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? We finna do what we gotta do.
I got something muddy in this thing, right?
Oh.
Hey, I'm gonna put this thing on time lapse and just time lapse the whole thing. Let y'all see what's going on. I'll see you when we done. All right.
Yeah. You already know it's hockey, and I'm getting straight to that bag. So much money, my pants sag. Young nigga been had cash. I'ma just get it and go. Yeah, I'm pulling off at your hoe. Yeah, I'ma just fuck her and go. Yeah, I'm getting straight to the dough. Yeah, Benjamin's all on the floor. Yeah, I'ma just get it and go. Yeah, I'ma just get it and go. Yeah, I'ma just get it and go. Yeah, I'm pulling off in a ghost. Yeah, y'all nigga hit it for sure.
Here, got this side done. Doesn't look bad at all. Even with the tucking and everything. Thing all tucked up. Well, T said he messed up, but it's still good. You see right here, you got a little something. We didn't tuck it properly right here when we were cutting, but it's okay. It's just the first one. We're gonna get some more and just try it again. Anything we mess up, we're gonna do it again. But the fact is, we're doing it. Yep. So we just got this side cleaned up, clean up the top, and we'll get back with you.
How you feel about it, man?
Man, look good. I know the car a little dirty and my camera quality a little shady. She cleaned up, she look good, but
yeah, man,
she don't look bad at all, man.
For our first time, man, we got vlog on vlog, right?
Black optic package.
Vlog on vlog, black op, man. Hey, I think we did good. Our energy is kind of low because we had a little hiccup over there at the end. Yeah. I can say this stuff right here, bro. This may not be the real stuff, cause that
yeah, look what it says.
Like
we will work together to win the world. Yeah, by finessing people trying to buy this thing. Yeah, bro. I don't think this is the real stuff, man, and it kind of messed up like one of our sections that we're doing. Yeah, we're trying to split a section, but yeah.
I think if we would have freehanded, it would have been a lot better, right?
Yeah, for sure. Got that boy in the lens.
That's it.
Camera on camera.
Camera on camera.
Hey, this is not too much of a long video, but I just want to finish up by saying, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out TNT Garage. Link's going to be in the description for my boy, Instagram and YouTube. Yes, but hey, this is your DIY, do it at home wrap. Try to leave a link of well, I'll just show you the stuff that we use. You know, you want one of these? Got the heat gun right here. This is the brand that we use. That Wagner, you know, like the intercooler. This is the wrap that we use. It's like a little strip that comes. You can find it on Amazon. 3M. Make sure it's 3M. It's not gonna sit and look as beautiful as what we just did here. So hey, appreciate y'all tapping in. Next video, we're gonna be wrapping some more stuff. You know, try to knock some of there. I might not even record it, but either way, we're gonna be tearing up this baby soon, getting some stuff done on it. So just stay tuned. Yeah. And got some work doing on the A7.
Yes. We got so much, bro. And the C10.
Yeah, for sure. Don't forget about the C10. C10 coming soon.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. All right?
Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and also let us know if you want to see more DIY content in the comments. Thank you.